Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to service a Ford Explorer. The car has failed the safety inspection due to upper control arms. According to the inspector, they are in a very bad shape and need to be changed ASAP. We took the tools and drove all the way to our friend's house. As always, we put safety first on every job that we are going to do. So if you are doing any DIY car maintenance, always use professionals' tools and take the necessary time to place yourself in a very safe position before moving forward with the project. It is a beautiful sunny day and the weather has been very nice so far here in Northern Virginia. This car weighs 2 tons, pretty heavy SUV, isn't it? Our jack and jack stand have a load capacity of 3 tons, so we are good to go. As a reminder, every brand that is used in our projects is not a sponsor. We are using these kind of tools as we think that this brand produced a very professional tool that has performed well in the past and has done the job properly. Also, the parts are purchased from the car owner at his best of knowledge, price, warranty, availability. If you know or have a better experience with a different brand, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. I would like to learn more from car lovers and will respond accordingly. Thank you again and again. If you want your car to run smoothly and keep the budget friendly, just reach out to us. We are located in Springfield, Virginia. If you like our DIY video contents, please like this video or let us know in the comments what you would like to be added. Thank you!
you.